Hello everyone, I'm Lindsay from Happy Hour Stitches, and I'm joining today to share an unboxing from Missouri Star. Now, September is Missouri Star. They're celebrating their 16th anniversary. September also has National Sew a Jelly Roll Day. So they sent me a little box of goodies to help celebrate all these things. So I can't wait to dive in and see what they sent. Okay. Okay, first of all, they sent their Missouri Star rotary cutter. I love this grip on it, great for left-handers and right-handers. And then they sent their refills for the rotary cutter. This is actually perfect. Ooh, it's a 5-pack. I just replaced my rotary cutter blade and I just used my last blade, so I was needing to buy more anyways. So now I can do a lot of cutting and this is perfect because I have lots of new projects to start this fall and winter, so I will be needing new blades. Okay, what is this? Oh, look at this. Let me put the box down. It's a Missouri Star apron. Ooh, this is fun. Ooh, and it has pockets so that I can store supplies in here. How cool. Okay, and then I see lots of thread in here. So Missouri Star has a line of thread. This is their basics little bundle. So lots of white, gray, black, and cream. These are perfect. I use these colors all the time just for my normal piecing. And then they sent 3 spools of, what color is this? Plum. They're rolly. Plum color. How pretty is that? You know, when I machine quilts, I love to use colors of thread. I think it's a fun way to add extra interest and color to your quilt. So I actually do like having colors on hand. This color actually would have been perfect to quilt that quilt behind me. I ended up just using a white thread on that, but this color would have been beautiful on that. So next time I'm quilting a quilt that needs like a cooler color or a little pop of a girly purple, I'm definitely going to use these. And then, like I said, because September has National Sew a Jelly Roll Day, they sent me some jelly rolls. Okay, so this one, oh, they're both from Riley Blake. They are hand-picked produce. So I think these are like curated bundles from a bunch of different Riley Blake fabrics. So, and they're curated by color. So I have a yellow one, and then here is a purple one. And the fun part about this is that I'm going to give one away to celebrate National Sew a Jelly Roll Day. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. That's where the giveaway is gonna happen. And let me know what color you'd prefer. I'm only gonna give away one. I'm gonna keep one for myself. So let me know what color you'd prefer be part of the giveaway, and we'll set that up. So make sure you're following for all the details. But what a fun little bundle to celebrate all the fun things happening in September. So thank you, Missouri Star, and thanks to everyone watching. I hope you use the discount code and follow me on Instagram so we can have some fun this month.